नमस्कार, खुश रहो बेटियाँ। माय नेम इज़ डॉक्टर अस्मा खान, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फैशन एंड इंटीरियर, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मेथोडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी. This is the second session of orientation program, Department of Fashion and Interior. Department of Fashion and Interior offered many courses. Those are Bachelor of Design in Fashion Designing, Bachelor of Design in Interior Designing, Bachelor of Design in Fashion Designing plus MBA integrated course, Diploma in Design Technology, Diploma in Design Technology plus Bachelor of Design in Fashion Designing. New courses also introduced in Department of Fashion and Interior, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Master of Designing in Fashion Designing. Bachelor of Design is classified in 4-year program, number of semester 8, introduction to program. Bachelor of Design semester 1 is a foundation of Bachelor of Design. It is completely design foundation course. Introduction to textile is a theory subject. It is related to sourcing of fiber to fabric manufacturing, different type of fabric construction. Second is construction technique. It is completely related to seam stitches and the basic gather, tucks, darts and the seams. Basic of design is related to how the design will be developed, what is the arrangement of design, what is the classification of design, what is the principle of design which is used in the designing. It is practical subject. Fashion model drawing, it is also practical subject. It is related to human figure in different ages, their neck, hand, their illustration way, their shading. Basic pattern development, it is related to human figure and anthropometry in standard measurement size, and according to standard measurement size, pattern are developed for the child bodies block standard pattern and the adult bodies block female standard pattern. Pattern making developed in basic pattern development, and the basic pattern of adult and child bodies block was developed in pattern development. And pattern developing is open the mind of student of fashion design for the pattern development and how the pattern making will proceed. The pattern development is clear the vision of pattern making for the students. Surface ornamentation is basic subject of fabric enrichment. Firstly, in first semester, surface ornamentation is related to embroideries, and the last subject is English communication. In those, all our subjects are basic of design and important for the student of design, because whenever we start the new subject, first we all to know about basics of the subject. So the semester 1 is completely clear the mind of the students for the fashion design. Similarly, in semester 2, introduction to textile. Second, fashion studies, construction technique, fashion illustration, pattern making. In semester in second year, traditional embroideries, principle of management, garment construction, pattern making, and fashion illustration and fabric styling. Similarly, in semester 4, theory of textile, history of fashion, fashion forecasting, fundamental of marketing and merchandising, pattern making, garment construction are classified. Program of Bachelor of Design is complete set of fashion designing, and students are developed after this program as a fashion designer, merchandiser, production manager, freelancer designer, accessories designer, and so many opportunities in the market for the students. Program outcome. Bachelor of Design in Fashion Designing is complete set of fashion designing. It provides basic to advanced knowledge of fashion design. The student has prepared for complete professionalism in the field of fashion designer. In current scenario, after completing the Bachelor of Design in Fashion Designing from JVWU, a student have so many opportunities in wide scope. They develop and their career they develop end their career as fashion designer, merchandiser, costume designer in movies, start their career as assistant designer of famous designer, national or international, production manager, textile designer, accessories designer, fabric designer, freelancer designer, and also able to start their own enterprise and firm as self-proprietor. Bank provide loan based on fashion design. Bachelor of Fashion Design. Similarly, we have a program of design technology. This is the diploma program of 3 year. 10th pass students and girls student and women are eligible for this diploma. After 10th, 3-year diploma program, it is basic of designing. After that, students are able to continue integrated course of B design. Program outcome. Diploma in Design Technology. Diploma in Design Technology program is specially ongoing in Polytechnic Diploma for girls and women who need the basic knowledge of fashion designing. It is also provide practical theoretical knowledge of fashion design. After 3-year diploma, students are able to understand fabric and their construction, pattern making, fashion illustration, surface ornamentation in current scenario. After completing the diploma in design technology from JVW, students have so many opportunity, wide scope. They are develop their career as fashion designer, merchandiser, costume designer, movies, freelancer designer, and also able to start their own boutique. Bank provide the loan after this diploma. Integrated program. Diploma in Design Technology plus Bachelor of Design in Fashion Designing. Diploma in Design Technology plus Bachelor of Design in Fashion Designing is integrated program, provide vast knowledge of basic to advanced in fashion designing. After this integrated program, student design thinking is developed very much and their mind is open for so many career in the field of fashion designing. Integrated program, Bachelor of Design in Fashion plus MBA. Bachelor of Design in Fashion Designing plus MBA is the integrated program. Provide vast knowledge of basic to advanced in fashion designing. Simultaneously provide the knowledge of managerial skill of the business. After this integrated program, a student mind has developed for how fashion business work and what is the possibility of fashion business, and finally they are able to start their own business with the full knowledge of business administration. Thank you so much. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. If you have query with this session, you can comment in comment box and give your orientation program attendance in comment box. Thank you so much.